So this is our gooseberry bush, and we've been pruning it. It's April 2015, and some of the prune branches that we take out, like this, stick it in the ground, and this will grow, and we can replant it somewhere else. And we're gonna go ahead and get rid of some of the branches too after we prune it that are died during the winter. So now it's nice and pruned, and we'll see how it does during the summer. It's April 25th now. As you can see, our gooseberry has bloomed pretty well. We have a lot of greens and a lot of the flowers. These are eventually going to turn into gooseberry fruits. A whole bunch of them over there, and it's pretty healthy, looking good. Now, as you can see, when I clip and prune this bush, a couple of weeks ago, I just stuck the cutting on the ground, and it's actually I did two. The other ones, it may survive, but this one's definitely, you can see, it survived. So a few weeks, that's gonna have some roots in there, and actually transplant it or put it somewhere else. But this is how it's looking April 25th. It's May 3rd right now, 2015. This is a front yard here, and I pruned this several weeks ago. We had a harsh winter, so I got rid of it, killed a lot of the branches, but it's growing fairly well. See these little things right here? Those will eventually turn inside those flowers, or little berries, gooseberries. You can see some of them here and in there. A lot on that side, you can see. Kind of a deep purple berries, very tasty. A lot of people make pies out of them, or you can put them in salad, and you can certainly eat them as is, like you would normally eat a grape. But it's doing fairly well, and we'll check up on it throughout the year all the way to harvest time. Today is June 30, 2015, and this is our gooseberry bush in the front yard. It's kind of all scattered right now. We have some that are ready for harvest, like this one. And then we also have some that are partially ripe and some that are not. So I don't know why that is. I think maybe because we have such a fluctuating weather. We had a lot of rain this year so far. And here are some more that are, some are ripe, some are not. So I think we're gonna go ahead and harvest some of these things that are ready, because the animals have started to eat them. Like these. This is ripe. These are probably the sweetest I've ever had them from this garden. Now, in the previous years, we've had lots. This has always been full of berries, but this year they're not. So we're gonna go ahead and harvest the ones that are ready, and in a couple of days, maybe next week, we'll harvest the rest.